In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Roas report using data blending Supermetrics. Before we jump into reporting, we'll set up a key building block, a clean, consistent channel field inside Supermetrics. This makes your future ROAS analysis far more reliable by ensuring traffic sources are grouped the same way everywhere. Start by opening the Supermetrics hub. From there, head to Custom Fields, then choose New Custom Field. We're creating a field that behaves like a label you can use in any report, so select Dimension as the type. For the data source, choose Google Analytics 4. This tells Supermetrics where the raw source and medium values come from, so it can transform them consistently. Next, we'll use the lookup transformation. Think of lookup as a translation table. Your GA4 data often stores traffic as source and medium pairs, like Google CPC or Facebook CPC. These can be messy or inconsistent across platforms. With a lookup, you map those raw values to a cleaner, human-friendly channel name that you'll use in your ROAS reporting and data blending. Create your first mapping by pointing Google CPC to Google Ads. This standardizes all paid Google clicks under a single channel name, which is essential when you later blend performance and cost data. Then do the same for Facebook/CPC, mapping it to Facebook Ads. Repeat this approach for any other ad platforms you use, so all paid traffic is neatly categorized. A couple of tips to keep things accurate. Match the exact source and medium format that appears in your GA4 data, including lowercase letters and the space before and after the slash. Consistency is everything. Even small typos can send data into the wrong bucket. If you have multiple variants in GA4, normalize them here so that Google CPC, Google CPC, and similar entries resolve to the same channel. This cleanup is what makes blended ROAS calculations dependable. When you're done with your mappings, save the custom field and give it a clear name like Channel Lookup. A descriptive name helps you find and reuse it quickly across dashboards and data models. From now on, whenever you pull GA4 data through Supermetrics, this channel lookup dimension will keep your acquisition channels standardized, setting you up for accurate data blending and clean ROAS reporting without manual recoding each time. That's it for creating your channel normalization field, the foundation of a trustworthy ROAS report in Supermetrics.